Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the place where small daily changes can lead to big results. Today, we're talking about one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises you can add to your life. It requires no equipment, no gym membership, and no complicated routine. I'm talking about resting squats. Just 5 minutes a day of holding a deep squat can completely change the way your body feels and functions. Now, before you brush it off as something too easy or too basic, I want you to stick with me, because the science behind it and the benefits it delivers will surprise you. In fact, many people around the world do resting squats naturally every single day, and they enjoy strong joints, flexible hips, and healthy digestion well into old age. What if I told you that just 5 minutes of this posture could actually make you move better, reduce pain, and even improve your core strength? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be convinced to try it yourself. Most people underestimate what just 5 minutes can do. We tend to think that fitness has to be about an hour-long workout drenched in sweat, but the truth is, small, consistent habits reshape the body more than once in a while effort. Think about it. 5 minutes is less time than scrolling through social media, waiting for your coffee, or watching the intro of a TV show. Yet, those 5 minutes in a resting squat can open up your hips, strengthen your legs, and align your posture. Now, I know what you might be thinking. How can sitting in a squat position for just a few minutes make a difference? Well, let's break down the incredible changes your body goes through when you commit to this daily habit. Point 1. The natural posture we forgot for most of human history. Sitting in a deep squat was the natural resting position. People ate, cooked, worked, and even socialized while squatting. Chairs are actually a modern invention. In many parts of Asia, Africa, and rural communities around the world, people still squat daily without even thinking about it. The problem is that in modern life, we sit in chairs for hours, which shortens our hip flexors, weakens our glutes, and stiffens our lower back. Over time, this leads to bad posture, knee pain, and even digestive issues. By practicing resting squats daily, you're simply bringing your body back to the position it was designed to rest in. It's not about adding something new, it's about reclaiming what was lost. Here's the part that surprises most people. After just a week of practicing 5 minutes a day, you'll start to notice that sitting down feels easier. Your hips feel looser. Your lower back doesn't ache as much. Resting squats gently stretch the hips, ankles, calves, and even your Achilles tendon all at once. No single stretch gives you this kind of full lower body release. Many people pay for yoga classes just to gain the kind of mobility you can get from squatting daily at home. And the best part? It's free, and it doesn't require any special equipment. Imagine touching your toes without strain, or sitting on the floor to play with your kids or grandkids without feeling stiff. That's what consistent squatting can unlock for you. Point 2. Stronger knees and pain-free joints. One of the biggest fears as people get older is joint pain, especially in the knees. You've probably heard someone say, "Don't squat too much, it will ruin your knees," but research and real-life practice show the opposite. Squatting correctly, especially bodyweight resting squats, strengthens the muscles and ligaments that protect your knees. When you hold a squat, your thighs engage, your calves stabilize, and your glutes support the entire structure. Instead of grinding the knees, you're actually nourishing them. Synovial fluid, which keeps joints lubricated, circulates better when you squat. Over time, your knees actually become more resilient. Imagine walking up the stairs without creaking joints, or standing up from the couch without that awkward push from your arms. 5 minutes of resting squats daily builds that kind of strength. Most people think squats are only for legs, but here's a secret: your core is working harder than you realize. When you hold a resting squat, your abdominal muscles stay engaged to stabilize your body. Your lower back works too. Without you even doing sit-ups or planks, your core becomes stronger. This hidden benefit is one reason why many athletes and martial artists practice squats daily. They know that a strong core equals better balance, improved power, and injury prevention. If you're someone who wants to flatten your stomach, strengthen your posture, or just feel more stable on your feet, then those 5 minutes in a resting squat are silently doing the job for you. Point 3. Better digestion and blood flow. This one shocks a lot of people. The deep squat position isn't just good for your muscles, it also helps your digestion. Think about the natural position the body takes when using the bathroom in many cultures. The deep squat actually aligns the intestines, making digestion smoother and reducing bloating and constipation. In addition to digestion, squatting also improves blood flow to the lower body. If you sit in a chair all day, circulation gets sluggish, which can lead to swelling, numbness, and even varicose veins. By squatting daily, you encourage better blood flow and reduce these risks. 5 minutes of this natural posture can literally make your body's internal systems run more efficiently. Here's something you might not expect. Holding a resting squat isn't just a physical challenge, it's a mental one. At first, your legs will shake, your mind will wander, and you'll want to quit after a minute. But if you stick with it, you'll notice something powerful: your patience grows. You learn to breathe through the discomfort, stay present, and push past mental limits. In a world where everything moves fast, 5 minutes of stillness in a squat becomes a practice of mindfulness. It's a chance to reconnect with your body, calm your mind, and build resilience. This mental toughness carries over into other areas of life. Suddenly, waiting in line or handling stress feels easier, because your body and mind are used to staying grounded. Point 4. Improved posture and spinal health. Most people don't realize how much sitting in chairs ruins posture. Slouching shoulders, forward neck, and curved lower back are all products of sitting for hours. Resting squats help reset this damage. When you squat deeply, your spine naturally aligns. Your chest opens, your hips stretch, and your back muscles support the upright position. Over time, this habit teaches your body what proper alignment feels like. People who squat daily often report standing taller, walking with more confidence, and even experiencing less back pain. Here's a question for you. Have you ever seen older people in some Asian countries sit comfortably in a squat, cooking, chatting, or resting, while someone the same age in the West struggles to bend down? That difference comes from daily squatting. It keeps joints young, muscles flexible, and the body strong. If you want to age gracefully, move without pain, and keep your independence for years to come, this 5-minute habit is like a secret weapon. It's not glamorous, but it's powerful. Point 5. How to get started without pain. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I can't even squat that low. Don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. You can hold on to a chair, a table, or even do wall-supported squats until your body adapts. Over time, your muscles and joints will loosen, and you'll be able to go deeper and stay longer. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even if you can only hold for 30 seconds at first, do it daily. Add a little more each time. Before you know it, you'll be sitting in a resting squat for 5 minutes without struggle. What happens after 30 days? Imagine this. You commit to 5 minutes of resting squats every day for just 1 month. By the end of 30 days, here's what you might notice. Your hips feel open, your knees stronger, your digestion smoother, your core tighter, and your posture more natural. Most importantly, everyday movements like bending, standing, and walking feel effortless. That's the kind of transformation people pay for with complicated programs, but you can achieve it right at home with zero equipment. Point 6. A simple habit that stays for life. The beauty of resting squats is that once you make it a habit, it becomes second nature. You can do it anywhere, while waiting for food to cook, while scrolling on your phone, or even while watching TV. It's not about finding extra time, it's about replacing idle moments with something that heals your body. This is why people who practice it daily rarely stop. They feel the difference in their body, and it becomes as natural as brushing their teeth. Your challenge starts today, so here's my challenge for you. Starting today, try holding a resting squat for 5 minutes. If you can't do 5 minutes straight, break it up into smaller chunks, like 1 minute at a time. Track your progress for a month and see how your body changes. You don't need equipment, you don't need a gym, all you need is the floor beneath you and a little patience. Resting squats are not just an exercise, they're a return to the body's natural way of sitting. They build strength, improve flexibility, heal digestion, enhance circulation, and even calm the mind. For just 5 minutes a day, the return on investment is massive. So, if you want to move better, feel stronger, and age gracefully, don't overlook this simple habit. Give it a try, and watch what happens. Thank you for watching Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with someone who could benefit from this powerful yet simple practice. And let me know in the comments, are you ready to take on the 5-minute squat challenge?